Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Simple Man on electric guitar. We'll begin by mastering the fundamental chord progression that forms the backbone of the song's intro and verses. This involves just three essential chords: G major, C major, and D major. Concentrate on achieving clean, clear notes and smooth, effortless transitions between each chord. This foundational practice is crucial for building your confidence and rhythm. Next, we'll dive into the iconic main riff. This section utilizes a distinct fingerpicking pattern, so pay close attention to your right-hand technique. For an authentic sound, set your amplifier to a clean tone with just a touch of reverb. Start practicing this riff at a very slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing your speed as your accuracy improves. Repetition is key here. Now let's look at the song's structure, specifically the verses and choruses. The verses largely repeat the familiar G, C, and D major chord progression we covered earlier. However, the chorus brings in a new element, the E minor chord. Focus on maintaining a consistent and rhythmic strumming pattern throughout these sections. Practice transitioning smoothly between the verse and chorus chord changes to build fluidity. Finally, we'll touch upon the solo and the song's outro. The solo is primarily built around the G major pentatonic scale, offering a great opportunity to practice your bending and vibrato techniques for expressive playing. The outro brings us back to the main chord progression, gradually fading out. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm and a clear tone until the very last note. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.